trying to devour this tree. Oh, what was that? What was that? Did we sting you?
No, they just know to stay away from the fence.
To make the butt.
Do you like the butt?
It's all in the hips.
Wendy's still right there. Look at the goats!
You are magnificent, buddy.
Look. Look at the goat. Look at your goat. Adorable. Tiny goat.
That's his twin brother.
Oh, nice. You know the whole hierarchy of
Yeah.
These are crazy.
That's his brother.
oh dear.
Look at that one. Look at that one. Daddy's trying to ride that one. More nature.
Yeah. Yep. Trying to ride him. Yep. Didn't work.
Did it work?
Boys are like, no, none of the billies are out here. They're all at home.
Draco, be careful. Careful, Draco. The ghost eyes are kind of scary.
A little scary.
Yeah. Yeah, rectangle.
Oh, look.
Yeah, the circle.
Look, this one's name is...
Look at
Jason, why are you recording the dog?
Jason, why are you recording the goat?
Look, Everly. This one's named Cookie.
Oh, I love that. I love just making my gotcha characters like random names, and then like I made this character and I named it Cookie, and it looks exactly like a cookie.
Oh, wow.
And it was like,
Oh, this one. I don't know.
Or at least do it elsewhere. Like,
"Ah."